we're talking about now potentially more than 40 million people that are not going to get their SNAP benefits, and thousands of federal workers who are going to miss their second paycheck now. At some point, does the pain from the shutdown, at the very least, match pain from people having to pay higher premiums if these subsidies are not?
We want to reopen the government and do it immediately. And Donald Trump needs to instruct his employees here in the Capitol, that would be Mike Johnson and John Thune. They work for Donald Trump. They don't work for the American people. In fact, Donald Trump is the one who recently said, "I'm the president and the Speaker of the House." This is extraordinary stuff. Like, Donald Trump is openly mocking Republican leaders. We can find a path forward, but it's not going to come from Republicans in the House and the Senate at the leadership level. It's got to come from the Trump administration saying the American people have had enough of this Republican shutdown, have had enough of the refusal to deal with the health care crisis. As Marjorie Taylor Greene has indicated, this is a Republican health care crisis, and they refuse to do anything about it. She can't find their health care plan. We can't find their health care plan because it doesn't exist. So all of this pain that's being visited upon the American people by Donald Trump and Republican policies needs to end. And we're saying we remain ready, willing, and able to find that bipartisan path forward to ending it and addressing the needs of the American people. Very early on, like when we came back to Congress after the August district work period, Democrats in the House and the Senate, we were very clear. We want to enact a spending agreement that's bipartisan, but it has to meet the needs of the American people in terms of their health, public safety, and economic well-being, particularly as it relates to driving down the high cost of living. That shouldn't be too difficult to find common ground on if Republicans were actually serious. But they're not. And that's what we've seen from Republicans over the last 29 days.